In this lesson, we'll be going over what animating text means, the different types, what animating photos means, and the different types. A creative tool we have to touch on is the animation feature, which lets us animate both text and photos. I'll start by choosing a random template, remixing it, and going over to the animation button, which looks like a shooting star in case some of you have trouble distinguishing from the 6 buttons available. From here, it shows the different types of animation available with a neat highlight feature that shows you what the animation does to your text, which is one of my favorite little additions to post, as it just makes choosing an animation that much easier. If you scroll through the options, there are 7 text animations at your disposal. Clicking any of them instantly animates all of your text and leaves it on a loop, which is what it will do for any social media you use it for. Something to note is that while all the text becomes animated, only your most recent text box will have the animation you selected. The rest of the text will have a fade-in effect that is supposed to match with your selected animation. For some animation though, all will have the same animation effect. For example, the text animation color shuffle does what it says and shuffles the colors of all the text. But a quick thing to point out again is the most recent text still has independence from all the other text, meaning its color still changes by itself while the rest of the text has the same color change. Some options like the animate text fade seamlessly fades in all text so it doesn't leave the creator bugged out as to what text has importance over others. Again, not all options will be like this, so be careful what animation you decide to use. Next, we have photo animations. Zoom takes your icons and zoom fades them in, and you can change that option to zoom fade out by clicking the alternate option button on the zoom feature. To the right of that, there's the pan animation. And again, it animates the icons to pan left and pan right if you so choose. The gray, or gray as I like to call it, is simple enough. It starts with no color and fades the color in. Focus will animate your icons from out of focus to in focus. Sometimes though, it doesn't always animate all the icons like on this template. The color animation animates your icons from darkest to natural color and vice versa from lightest back to natural color. Our last animation is fill, and that takes your icons and turns them all the color of one of the colors, so it gives the impression of a blank canvas to filled canvas. Animating your project in post is not for all situations, but if used the right way, it can bring out a pop that most people wouldn't be expecting to see on social media or the internet. Combining these animations with icons almost brings Adobe Animate to shame, or at least something like that.